Hello, everyone. I'm Andy from ThinkMo. I am currently teaching CCIE courses. From today on, I'm going to share with you CCNA, CCNP, CCIE related technologies. Our topic today is: what are Type 8 LSA of OSPF? So today we will explain LSA in terms of three aspects. First, what is an OSPF LSA? It's called Link State Advertise, Link Status Notification, or Link Status Information. Second, which LSA are added to OSPF? These LSA we talked about in the last video. Mainly Type 8 and Type 9 LSA. The Type 1 and Type 2 LSA are intra-area LSA. Type 3 LSA are clustered. Type 4 LSA mainly involve ASBR. Type 5 LSA and Type 7 LSA are mainly external routes. So what does OSPF Type 8 LSA do? We can take a look. Before I talk about Type 8 LSA, we need to compare the LSA in V3. Does it make a difference? The route type is involved in the LSA about V3. It is divided into route types. It's basically the same as V2. We're talking about categories 5 and 7. We just mentioned that. Next we start with the LSA. The name of Type 1 LSA is similar to that of Type 2 LSA. The name of the three types of LSA has been changed. It's more accurately named. This is called an intra-area prefix LSA, generated by ABR. Similar to OSPF V2. But the way it's stated. Same as these LSA on V2. Definition of these LSA in V3. More rigorous. Then there are Type 4 LSA. It's called an intra-area router LSA. So Category 3 and Category 4, you'll see why. What's the rigor of it? First, there are three types called intra-area prefix LSA. For example, one router between two areas is an ABR. Yes, the LSA belongs to the internal area. Type 4 LSA are called intra-area router LSA. So let's think about where is ASBR. It is located at the boundary between OSPF and other protocols. That's for the interior of the region. It is an intra-area router LSA. There is not much difference between Type 5 and Type 7 LSA. We will focus on 8 types of LSA. Type 8 LSA are for every device. Link LSA are generated for each link. It describes the link local address on the link. Link LSA are Type 8 LSA. It's just flooding on this link. OSPF v3 is also based on links. It describes here the link local address on the link. It is a link local address and its IPv6 prefix. That's the idea of routing. For example, multiple IPv6 addresses are configured on an interface. It's going to be described and provide LSA that will be in Type 2. This is the link setting option in the network LSA. Propagation occurs only within a link. The function of Type 8 LSA is obvious. It's relatively obvious. But it's only flooding on the link. It doesn't flood anything else. So it's impossible to calculate. The hierarchy is more explicit in V3. Each has his own business. Just take care of this area. The LSA you sent flooded on the link. Naturally, other LSA are sent from the whole network to other areas. You only need to ensure that the devices on the local link are properly configured. Then take care of the connection. Calculation of routes. We're going to talk about Type 9 LSA. I'll do that in a later video. How exactly is its route calculated? And we'll talk more about that in the next video. How to calculate the routes in V3. That's it for today. If there are any other skills you'd like to learn, feel free to leave a message or send me a private message. If you're interested in what I'm talking about, hope to like and subscribe more. Thank you. See you next time.